Hello guys, welcome back to the Planet V. Today we're doing Les Draisines de la Molignée. That's 14 kilometers. Let's go. The Molignée Valley is not only a road popular to bikers but also to everyone attracted by the region's natural and historical heritage. This old line, which connected Tamin to Jumel, runs along the Molignée. Nowadays, the rails have been the home of the Draisines or railbikes, which in the past were used by workers who repaired the tracks. We're doing the second leg of this trip. This part is the way to the Abbey of Maredsous. So we're gonna try some beer and of course cheese. See you there. The trip takes 1 to 2 hours while pedaling at your own pace on the old rail through the picturesque valley of the Molignée. There are 2 options for this trip. We got the longest one from Warnon with 1 stop at Falan station before heading to Maredsous. Along the way, we crossed 2 tunnels and several bridges while pedaling through a mostly dense forest. We are on our way to the Abbey of Maredsous. So we're gonna try some beer,
Some cheese.
and of course we enjoy the beauty of nature in the Ardennes. They're collecting hay right now.
Hey.
Hey Jude.
Hey, Jude.
So it's time to taste the beer and the cheese. Of course, if you visit an abbey here in Belgium, these are the usual products that you will see. So we got well, let's start with beer first. This is the extra, which is only available in the Abbey. And this one is the brown, which you can buy, I think, from the supermarkets in Belgium. And you can buy here a small box with all the different kinds of beers. And of course, the Maredsous cheese. And of course, it's also from here, the sausage. They do it here. So,
How is the beer?
actually, Volt got this one. I got the brown.
The chin chin?
Oh, sorry. I got the ginger.
So what do you think about?
Brown is a bit bitter, no?
Yeah.
This one has this one. I like. It's fresher, I think. The extra
Yeah, it's
or thicker even.
freshly brewed.
I'm gonna try the cheese.
Good pairing.
I'm not trying the main difference between the two.
You do beer hello hello.
We're gonna explore now the Abbey of Maredsous, which was founded in 1872. The Maredsous Abbey is characterized by a neo-Gothic architectural style that harmonizes perfectly with the hilly and wooded nature of the region. Each monk is engaged in a very specific task. Some teach, others work in the library, in various sectors of scientific research, at the computer and Bible center, or take care of the administration and operation of the abbey. Abbey Church of Maredsous, built from 1877 until 1887, is of primary Gothic style. Like the other buildings at the Abbey, it is one of the most important witnesses of this style in Belgium. We're going back, guys, to the rail bike station in Maredsous. So if you're coming here, you have to get your bike from the station in Warneau, and then that is gonna be your first leg will be 4 kilometers, right? Or 3?
Yeah,
Something
more
like
or less
that.
the same.
And then it will take you around 30 minutes to go to the station of Falun, and then from there you'll take, if you're gonna take the long route, then you have to get the next bike from there coming here to Maritzu. So we're gonna do the whole thing going back to Warneau. We're waiting for the time to go back to the station of Warneau. It's already 1:45. We should be here by between 2 and 2:30. So the bikes are not yet ready, not facing that side. So we'll wait for someone to change this one. So if you come here, each bike costs 40 euros. And it can carry, let's say, 4 people max.
Voilà, on va pouvoir repartir si tu veux. Bonjour. Voilà, s'il vous plaît.
Okay guys, they say that this is gonna be easier going back to the main station. So let's go! Very easy. Fast. We are now passing by one of the beautiful villages in Wallonia. The rail bikes will also take you through Sosoye, one of the most beautiful villages in Wallonia, where you have an ideal view on its limestone plateau stretching on a street composed of limestone houses, typical of the Conjurers Valley.